Yeah, well, I'm RP Yadav, BSc and MBA from Calcutta University. I have worked with few companies before I started Genius. I worked with Johnson & Johnson, HCL Limited, J Engineering Works Limited and Business Forms Limited. So altogether I worked about 16 years in the profession. Then I started Genius Consultants Limited about 22 years back, and since then I have been heading the company, and I started with rupees 70,000 with capital. Today it's about 850 crore company. So that's a brief about the professional background of mine. My father used to work with Employment Exchange, and I used to see that many people are coming to him for the job, and he used to help them to get the job, and after getting the job, people used to come with the sweets and so much of blessings, and wherever I used to go, I used to get so much of blessing from the people. Maybe that influenced me to start Genius, and when I was working in various companies, I thought one day I'll start a private employment exchange, and that inspired me. Unfortunately, with the bless of God and with the blessing of Father, I started, and fortunately it turned to be good. And today Genius employs about 45,000 outsourced employees. So that means a livelihood of around 2 lakh people are taken care, or we help them at least through the Genius efforts. See, Genius is in various domains. One is that we help the people to get the permanent job. So more than over 2 lakh people have got the job through us. So getting a job is the first thing a person or a student likes when he passes the course. So that's one thing. Second, there are various areas where we are doing the business, like we do payrolling, compliance, manpower outsourcing, HRMS and payroll. So that adds value into the HR fraternity, and you will appreciate that a company prospers well when the HR department is well, when the right manpower is working in the company, when the people are motivated. If their compliances and statutory are taken care, they get the salary in time, their leave are encashed in time, their full and final is done time. So that is how the Genius adds value to the company and to the people. And as a whole, every year roughly around 200 crore rupees Genius pays in terms of statutory and taxation compliance. So that adds value to the government, and ultimately it goes back to the society. See, today we have around 16 offices in the country and 9 products. So what we are planning to add another 3 products in Genius, and take the footprint of Genius from Indian 16 offices to outside. So most likely during this year we will have at least 1 overseas offices, and ensure that in coming 2 years Genius crosses rupees 1,000 crore turnover and over 1 lakh outsourced employees. See, when I started Genius 22 years back, we used to think, that of course we do a business, and business means, top line and bottom line. But to achieve the top line and bottom line, you also need to help the society or the fraternity where you are actually, which is helping you to make your company to prosper your top line and bottom line. So we thought of the HR fraternity with whom we are associated, that why don't we institute an award which is based on jury evaluation, and we give the award and recognition to the people who adds value in terms of getting the right people, getting the training to them, and ensuring that the people stay with the organization and adds value. So that's how we felt, and we instituted about 6 years back this HR Excellence Award, and we have done in Calcutta 4 times, and we have done once in Delhi, and we are fortunate that this year we are going to organize this HR Excellence Award 2016 in Mumbai. See, during the last 6 years, at least a few thousand people have come associated, few hundred companies have participated, and every time I see that a company or a person comes with so much of interest and with a passion to participate. In other words, it helps the HR fraternity to feel proud that they are being recognized and they are adding value to the society and to the company, and since they are adding value to the society and to the organization, therefore their efforts needs to be organized. So Genius became a platform where good HR professionals get recognized, their efforts get recognized, and they get rewarded on a platform where large number of people are coming and clapping and wishing them all the good lucks, and that's how we are adding value to the HR fraternity. Thank you.